Intro 000. Want to make thumbnails that actually get clicked? Let's talk about the secret sauce to creating high-engagement YouTube thumbnails that viewers can't ignore. Hook 010. Here's the truth. Your thumbnail decides if someone watches or scrolls. So let's break down the 8 thumbnail tips that the pros use. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Too much going on? Viewers get confused. Stick to one main subject. Clean, clear, and focused wins. Tip 2. Bright colors and contrast. Use colors that pop. High contrast between text and background equals instant attention. Tip 3. Faces plus emotion. People connect with people. Show faces with emotion. Shock, joy, confusion, and it works like magic. Tip 4. Big, bold text. Keep it short. 3 to 6 words max. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts. And make sure it's visible on mobile. Tip 5. Rule of thirds. Use the rule of thirds to frame your subject or text. It makes your thumbnail more balanced and eye-catching. Tip 6. Tell a story. Your thumbnail should create curiosity. Think, what happens next? Give a hint, not the whole answer. Tip 7. Brand consistency. Stick to a style, colors, fonts, layout, so people recognize your videos instantly. Tip 8. Test everything. Try different versions. Check which thumbnails get higher clicks. Small changes can make a big difference. Outro 2:30. Now you've got the tools. Go make thumbnails that pop. And if you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more creator tips.